it's time to give away this book. I hope you've all commented that we're interested. And now I'm going to attempt to record my computer screen and do the giveaway. Okay, so it's time to pick a name, and I am trying this random comment picker for the first time. So I have put the link to the video in here, and I'm doing the free version, so it's very limited settings. I did have a few people who said they didn't want to be included, but I don't know how to filter them out. So hopefully this will just pick someone who wants it. All right, so I think I just hit get YouTube comments. There are 12 unique comments. And then I click start. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, me. Thanks for commenting and contributing to that video. And yeah, let's see what happens. Am I creating suspense? Lynn Hughes, congratulations! Ah, that's awesome. Make sure you reach out to me. My email, I'll put it in the description box so you have it. And thanks, everybody. I also want to say thank you, everyone who's commented and who's watched and followed the collaboration for the 6 months that we did it. It's been a joy to do, and yeah, just thank you all and have an awesome day.